I want to tell you about an amazing site I found called unclaimedpropertysearch.org. A friend of mine told me about it because he went and he had an old bank account that had a couple $100s in it, and he used the site and was able to get that couple $100s back. I tried it just as a gag, and when I went in and put my name in, I actually found that I had an old inheritance from some stocks that was part of an inheritance that I just didn't even know about. I had a relative who passed away and named me in those stocks, but somehow or another it didn't get to me. And I did the search, and the stocks were well worth a lot of money because it had just sat there. And I found out about this through unclaimedpropertysearch.org. It was free, it was quick, and it didn't cost me anything, and now I got some extra bucks and some stocks that I'm going to use for as part of my retirement portfolio. Absolutely amazing. Check it out. unclaimedpropertysearch.org.